Chara, excuse po for stuttering. I'm actually really nervous. Kasi I've been watching...
Relax lang. What's your name?
My name is Lindsay Ignacio po. I am a second year art student. And for my question, so as a TV personality and actress, former CEO and a host, you've been doing a lot of things in your career po. And just like you, I want to share stories as well, whether it's like through books or movies or talks, etc. And whether it's my own experiences or the stories of others, I want to give a voice to the voiceless. So for my question, what's a piece of advice you have for someone who wants to dabble in a lot of things, in a lot of fields, but doesn't necessarily know where to start from?
You've worn so many hats. So, what's your advice for somebody like her who wants to dabble into this kind of so many?
Don't have everything all at the same time. Yeah. Know your priorities. So, and then just open your be open to the opportunities that come your way. Kasi doors will open Doors will open for all of you. Know which door to enter. Ano ba yun, ma'am? Diba?
Sabi mo na to do things all at the same time. When you were CEO, did you put a stop to your acting muna?
Yes.
So it was a conscious decision.
Yes. Because if you conflict of interest, why should I be acting in production, in a media company where I am CEO? Sinabi ng mga co-stars ko, sa kanya napunta yung role kasi siya yung CEO. So you have to be careful about conflict of interest. So I have to give up my acting because I decided to go into production. So you have to make choices. You have to make intentional, deliberate decisions. Yeah. And then, nandito na ako, lola na ako, matagal naman bago ako nakarating dito. Diba? This is not overnight. I really went through the ranks. Yeah. I did PA work before I became a line producer. Artista na ako, but it didn't matter to me that artista na ako.
Award ka na, nag-PA work ka pa.
Because gusto kong malaman lahat ng nangyayari sa baba. Kasi hindi ka makakarating sa taas kung hindi mo alam yung nangyayari sa baba. Tandaan nyo yan, ha? Dapat start at the bottom. And you have to know every single task na ginagawa ng mga kasamahan ninyo sa baba. Because how can you lead? Diba? How can you lead? Kung utos lang kayo ng utos, barking orders lang kayo, pero pag kayo na hindi nyo alam ang trabaho, dapat alam nyo muna yung trabaho. So make choices, know your priorities. Yes, you have a lot of interests, but focus. One at a time. And kahit nga sa production, nag-multitask ka. Pero kasi multitasking to the max, no? Parang hindi na yata tumitigil ang inyong mga utak. Ganun ba? Yes? O everyone's nodding. Ganon? Naku, labanan ng mga mental health. Pahinga lang ang katapat niyan. 1 cup of coffee lang yan. Oo. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo, hindi naman madali ang buhay, laging may challenges. Kasi kung hindi exciting ang life. Gusto niyo bang boring? Hindi, di ba? So look at challenges as highs of life. So it's the perspective again. It's the way you look at life, the way you look at things. Pwede kang maging whiner. You can choose to whine. Ay, ang hirap naman. But you can also choose to be excited and look for solutions instead of focusing on problems. Attitude, positive. Imagine a better world. Imagine a better tomorrow. This too shall pass. Di ba? Dapat ang mga mantra nyo. Hindi yung, sabihin nyo, bawal mawala ng voice.
Ganda ng mga advice. Parang feeling ko na sa isang episode tayo na maalaala mo kaya. With all the good advice, she's been dishing
My
out.
favorite professor.
Ayan na si Sir Doy.
Dr. Doy.
Yeah, and si Sir Doy. By the way, I have din, for everyone's information, Sir Doy just came from receiving an award for his 40th year of service to De La Salle University.
Let's give a
Congratulations.
big hand for Dr. Doy Domingo Jr.
He's been responsible for so many, great minds like Miss Charo Santos.
Really, I'm very, very, very fortunate to have crossed and rolled here and to have met Professor Doy Domingo. And thank you very much for the wonderful projects that you gave me. Wow, memorable projects.
So, once again, thank you very much, Ms. Charo, for your great insights, for your warmth, your great advice, and your quiet strength. You're such a, brilliant person, and we admire you. Thank you for the time talaga. Kahit na na-move yung schedule because of the typhoon some months ago. So, natuloy din ngayon. So, thank you very much, and sana maulit ito.
Thank you very much for inviting me. And I really wish you the best. Yes, please. Dream on, but work real hard. Okay?
So once again, a round of applause for Ms. Charo Santos.